Hey guys, so this is the current state of how I look. I got a sweatshirt and sweatpants on, and we're going to be doing a glow up / transformation. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos similar to these and just like other lifestyle and fitness videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and glow up. Please ignore the horse border that is behind me. My parents really like horses. Also, this bathroom hasn't like ever been redone, and they put this wallpaper up like probably 12 years ago. So first things first, I'm gonna put my hair back because we really don't need it in my face at the moment, and plus it looks really bad, so like might as well pull it back. So the first thing on my glow up list was to shower. I actually did that last night. That's partially why my hair looks so crazy right now. So the shampoo that I use is the Charcoal Daily Shampoo by Head & Shoulders. I do kind of switch it up with the shampoo that I use. This is just the one I'm using currently. I kind of buy a different one every single time. And then conditioner, I've been using this. It came with my hair dye because I dyed my hair like a couple weeks ago. And it's not going to focus. There it is. And then soap I use is just from Bath & Body Works, and it's the sea salt. They don't have this one anymore, sadly. It's almost gone. I'm really sad. But those are the shower products that I use. Actually, I forgot. I also use this. It's a wet skin moisturizer. I don't use this on a daily basis, but it is really nice. And it's got like coconut oil in it, I think, and it really moisturizes your skin. So the second thing on my glow up list is to shave. So I'm obviously not going to record this because no one wants to see that. But this is the shaving cream that I use. I kind of buy it in a different scent every time, just depending on what the store has. But this is the Tropical Fruit EOS, or EOS, however you prefer to say it, shaving cream. So now that I've shaved and my hair looks like an absolute mess and it's bothering me, I'm going to use some of this Instant Sun Self Tan. So quick tip, if you use this specific one, this is the light bronze color. They have a deep bronze as well, but I've noticed that when I first apply this, it typically leaves my skin a little orange, but by tomorrow it'll look really good. I'm also going to be using this Maui Mango Surf body cream from Bath & Body Works to moisturize my skin first before applying the instant tan. Is that what this is? Tanning mousse, whatever. Also, I usually use my hands, but honestly, it leaves them kind of orange, which I really don't like. It really bothers me. So I'm actually going to try using a sock inside out. I looked up a lot of different things online because I don't have an actual tanning mitt and I can't find one where I live. So we're going to try a sock this time, and we'll see how that goes. So next we're going to take care of the face. So first thing that I'm going to use is this Hydro Boost by Neutrogena. It's just a hydrating cleansing gel. It also removes makeup. So my skin definitely looks a little bit like red right now. That's normal. But then the next thing we're going to use is another Neutrogena product, and it's the Oil-Free Acne Stress Control. This is actually just like a toner. And then after that, I'm going to moisturize with this Hydrating Gel Boost Cream. This is by the brand Simple. I think you can find this at Target, but I think I originally got this in like a beauty box subscription. Now it's time to straighten my hair now that my makeup is done, except I just realized I don't have a plug-in for my straightener, so I have to unplug one of my studio lights because the lighting in this bathroom just is so horrible. So lighting's going to be bad for a little bit.
heat protecting spray, but like today I'm just not because I don't feel like going around and getting it. I love like the feeling of straightened hair though. Like, am I the only one?
Alright, so the last part of this video, good lighting again, ta-da! So hair's done, makeup's done, the last part is my outfit.